Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Today is our Honda meet because it's the last Saturday of every month. So we've got some cars arriving. Got a beautiful MB6 there. We've also got ourselves a lovely black EP3, a white FN, a green FN, and another's arriving. Is Richard arriving for his morning shift. Today we are mapping a Honda Civic FN2 in front of a live studio audience. And then I'll get back out into the yard and hopefully we'll get some footage of some cars. So here we go. Oh, gorgeous, look at that. Beautiful. That is also very clean, look at that one. Very nice indeed. Down some stairs.
That's the difference. That's how I've just touched over there. Probably because I didn't expect it though, and I just instantly. Well, I've got 170 grand's worth
Nice. Anywhere you can get. Yeah. Morning.
So I drove down the other side of Axon this morning.
Okay, so as promised, an FN2 to map. I'm going to put the AFR sensor in it. We've strapped it down. This is one that we've mapped before, but since last time, it's had a 3-inch exhaust system and a CPL big bore induction kit. So definitely time to tune it again. So we'll run it through its paces, get the Ecotech software loaded up and go again and see if we can make some power. So here we go, Dynodaze, Honda meet in front. Ooh. That'll be the music turning on in front of a live audience. exhaust out. Oh, there we go, Richard. A very quick inside.
Straight off.
Yeah, straight away. A very quick inside video. We've got a very busy day today because there's mega amounts of people outside with Hondas, which we love to see. I've just been behind this car whilst it was doing its overrun, and that was clearly a second-hand exhaust system.
We met this car previously, and then he's made some modifications based on what we suggested to make a little bit more power. So he's changed to the CPL Big Boy induction kit, and he swapped to a TDI 3-inch exhaust system.
Great bit of kit.
Second hand,
but it's probably
it's
it's probably been 10 years old. It's full of soot.
And to blow some of that out, didn't it?
Yes, I think I ate most of that.
Yeah.
But yes, it made some pops and bags of that, so it's all good. But we're up about 10 brake.
Yeah, so we finished on 220, which is okay for the mods on one of these. I think, you know, if he wants to make more power, it's inlet manifold at this point now.
Ported RRC,
ported RRC, and
available on the website.
But yeah, we can arm him with that bit of information, and maybe he'll do another mod and come back for another tweak.
Maybe he seems to love it, doesn't he?
I think so.
Right, let's unstrap it.
Should we have a look at that graph?
We'll have a look at the graph, unstrap it, and then I suppose we better run some Hondas that are outside. We've got an FK2 to run now, so it'll be in this video as well, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Well, there we have it, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, finishing on 220 brake horsepower. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Right, time to crack on and get some more Hondas on the rolling road. Footage from a video whilst I'm out here. We've just finished mapping that one.
Thank you.
Sounded well, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
What did it make?
220.
Okay.
What's an inlet manifold next, really?
What's it on? Just headers and...
Yeah, so it's got a 4-to-1 manifold on it and a induction kit. Diesel FN. Odyssey next. I don't believe we've had one of these on the dyno. It's a K24 Auto. I suppose we'll see how she does. Fancy one of these.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit dynodazeperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.